Hi, I'm Mark with the Perfect Paver Company, here again with this week's question of the week. This week, I'm going to answer, what is polymeric sand and why do your pavers need it? So in between interlocking pavers is a joint, and during installation, that joint gets installed with sand. A product that came out on the market, and in about the last 5 to 7 years, is called polymeric sand. And what that is a mixture of natural sand and polymers, or plastic. They mix those together in the manufacturing process, and when it's installed in the joint and you activate it with water, it activates the polymers. The polymers bind to the sand, and when it dries, it cures into a hard grout-like material. So the purpose of installing the polymeric sand in the joint is to help keep the pavers locked together, but it also helps keep the joint filled with the material that stays locked into place. Before polymeric sand, you would install just natural loose sand in the joint, and over time, as rain and frequent cleanings would happen, that loose sand would get washed out, causing a void, and that void would fill up with organic material and dirt and other unwanted things. So polymeric sand goes in the joint during installation or during restoration when you're cleaning the pavers up, and it locks itself into place and makes it so that sand stays in place. It can't fill up with organic material like dirt and debris. And one of the benefits of it is because it's easy, your pavers are now easier to maintain because it's the joint's filled with locked sand. It's more difficult for things like weeds and vegetation to grow on the joint because it doesn't have that organic material in the joint. So that's polymeric sand in a nutshell. I hope that answers your question. And by the way, if you guys would comment below with a question that you might have about pavers, I would be happy to answer that in an upcoming question of the week. Thanks and have a great day.